Hey there folks, I thought I'd do a quick demo on how to use your document camera to record video if that's what you want to choose to do. Okay, so first off, I'm running this Epson document camera, and in particular this is the model here, but the software works with a lot of the different models that you have. Okay, so we're familiar with the switching between the computer and just direct with the source, right, just looking straight here. What I want to point out is that you can record a video, and I've just basically have a simple piece of paper set up here, and all you really need to do is to go to your PC and start up the Epson software. So if you're looking for the Epson software, if it's installed on your computer, right, you can just type under the search, you can search for this ArcSoft application here, right? And if you see something Epson Document Center, that's what you want. And that opens up this bad boy over here. Now you see you have some features down here, right? You could capture a still image. You could capture a series of images, right? A burst. You could do time lapse, which is actually pretty fun. I've used that one with some neat effects, the old egg in the corn syrup thing. And here you can record a video. So now you can record a video here, and I'll do that in a second, but for the record, if you look on your Epson here, you can see where you can capture a photo of what you're looking at. Of course, you can freeze the frame, and then there's the feature right there, right, for recording video. If you look on your document cam down here, you'll see that there's a spot for an SD card. Now, if you have a micro SD or an SD card adapter, feel free, plug it in there, because that's where it's going to record to. Now, if you don't have the software, you can do that straight on the Epson, straight onto an SD card. In this case, what I'll do is I'll just start a video down here, and it's recording. So whatever you do over here, and I'll just keep this simple, wave a little bit, thumbs up, this is actually pretty good software, will show up as a file over there. So it should be picking up my audio as well, because there's a pinhole microphone built into that Epson camera. Okay, so I'm going to hit that I'm done. And what you'll see over here is the video has recorded. Now, I don't have my speakers on in the classroom, but the audio should be there, right? There's a video of what I said was gonna happen. There you go, and you've got a file. Okay, so if you're using the Epson camera just with hardware and the SD card, there'll be a file on there that you can drag off into whatever location you want. If, in this case, you're on the computer, okay, oops, reopened it there. You can go to File Management, and you should see it here. Yeah, here's your video right here. So you can decide what you want to do with that. Basically, what you need to do from here is just to export this file, right? And it's in My Documents. So I'll show you where that is if you just want to go straight to it. We'll go to My Documents. If you're looking for where that video is, you can go up to your user. In this case, I'll just go to me, and it's in My Documents, right? Local for the user, and Document Camera Media, there it is, under the captures that have happened, and there's your video. So for example, I'll drag this to the desktop. You can drag this wherever you want, and I've taken it out of that folder. You see it disappeared out of the software here, and there's a video right there on my desktop. Great video in my hand. So that's a pretty brief tutorial. Remember that you can record here directly on the camera. It has its own pinhole microphone, and I'll just give you a view right there on the top. Or you'll see a pinhole microphone somewhere around the edge, somewhere here. But the Epson's all kind of around the same way. Okay, that's it, folks. Cheers.